Today we're doing the scratch coat on the stucco for the ADU. I have all the lath already done. So we're just gonna put the first coat. There's 3 coats. First coat is the scratch, then it's the brown, then it's the color at the end. So we're getting ready to install the flooring. Drywall is finished, all said and done. Put some laminate flooring in here. All the drywall is done, pretty much finished. We'll put the flooring and we'll go ahead and cover up all the flooring and then go ahead and paint. I'll show you an updated video once we have that done. This is the second hand. You got the brown already done. So first you have the scratch coat, then you have the brown coat, and the final coat will be the color on the stucco. So I'll show you a video once we're stuccoed up and pretty much finished with the outside. Thank you guys for watching.